Hey Shane,
Yeah.
can you help me with the new leather splitting machine?
For sure, man. Give me a sec. Cart ran out of gas.
Bro, can you help him out?
This is the leather splitter. First things first, you gotta drill this thing in. A couple main components of this machine here. These two screws, the black and brass color, these are for adjusting the height of the roller, which in turn adjusts the thickness of the skive for your leather. This is the lever that adjusts pulling down or pushing up the roller, just so you can fit your leather pieces in there. And then this adjustment wheel on the right side of the machine here is just for locking it all in place. So let's get started and showing you how to do it. So what I'm going to show you first is adjusting the roller, or the height of that. And I'm going to be skiving or splitting down a 9/10 ounce belt strap. So what I'm going to do is, with both at the same time, I'm just going to twist these to the left just to raise that roller up. Because the closer that roller is to the blade, the thinner your leather is going to be. I'm just going to have a look inside at the kind of the distance between the blade and that roller, and just make sure that both sides look nice and even. That looks pretty good to me. I'm going to take my piece of edge stand here. I'm going to flip it over so the flesh side is facing up and what's actually going to get cut with the blade. I'm going to pull back on the handle towards me, which lowers that roller. I'm just going to put this strap in more or less where I want it to be split down. So I'm going to push that handle forward, and I'm just going to apply some pressure with the handle. And with my right hand, I'm going to tighten this locking wheel right there. So now we're good to go. So I'm just going to start pulling now.
Thank you for the sunshine bouquet.
So as you can see, that's split down really nice and evenly. So originally it was 9/10 ounce, roughly 3.8, 3.9 ounce, and we split that down to just under 2.5 ounces. So as you can see, super easy to use, nice and simple to set up, but just keep in mind, it is a very sharp blade. Watch your fingers and really make sure that you have it screwed nice and tight into your table. Other than that, thanks for watching.
Perfect. Thanks, Shane.
Screwed in, man. I just said that.
Oh.